to HHH Lion Gaming. HH Lion Gaming. So today we're gonna be playing some Call of Duty, but with the difference. Like you guys seen, pistols only, snipers only. But right now, today I am gonna be playing shotgun only. I know. I haven't really spoken for a long time. Well, here I am. So today, I just explained what we're playing. So yeah, let's get into the video. And guys, comment down below, because I haven't played Call of Duty for a long time. Okay, what? Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. Okay, that was a little bit hard. Okay, yeah, I wouldn't really prefer this gun in my opinion. Actually, I would. It's like a one shot. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad with this gun. It's a one shot gun, that's for sure, but I'm not really good with this gun. Oh my gosh, that dude needs to chill there. Wait, what? How did I get already to... Oh, never mind. Sometimes it happens. Can't really see someone. Yo, then let's go. Guys, okay, I really do like this shotgun. It's very powerful. It really is powerful. Yo, this gun is sick. Oh, flip. Okay, guys, so this weapon's cool. It's a nice weapon, but you have to be good at the game to use this one, because it's hard to play with. Oh no. So guys, like, comment down below if I'm good with shotgun. I mean, I'm alright, in my opinion. I'm alright with the shotty. Okay. Where am I getting shot from? Where are you, man? Okay, this dude. Come on, dude. There you go. Got him. So, Yay! Okay, you. Finally, that dude needs to chillax. Oh no. Okay, someone has stolen my gun. I repeat, someone has stolen my gun. That was one shot. I like this gun. I guess if you go competitive mode with this gun, yeah, go with it. It's a really good gun. Jeez, that was close. Guys, tomorrow I'm gonna be uploading a vid or 2 days or tomorrow. From 2 days or tomorrow, I'm gonna be uploading a vid. So it's gonna be for Call of Duty Battle Royale. We'll see how good I am in that. Well, yeah. I might do in 1 or 2 days, yeah, or maybe even 3. I'll try to do in 2 days or 1 day. Oh no, what happened there? Ooh. I don't expect me to come first or second in this game, because it's only my second time even using this gun in the whole game. Come on. Oh my gosh! Wait, that dude has... Wait, what? Oh, that dude has got the same gun? Oh, okay. Guess we won, yay. Let me see if I got some points. I'm not that sure if I got any points, but we'll see. Oh, I came second. That's alright. That's alright for me. That's okay. I'm good with that. Level 64. 17 kills. That's good. That's good for me. Like second time using this gun. Yep, let's get in the game again. That's good. I don't know. In my opinion, that's good if I'm using it only for the second time. Guys, comment down below if I should do a video when I play without Xbox controller. That'd be kind of embarrassing, but I'm not really bad. I'm not really that bad without Xbox controller. Like I'm a controller dude. Yeah, no. Please don't like just say in the comment sections below. Oh, you're so bad. I'm a controller player from the start. Please don't say anything. Man's a controller player from the start, you know. Come on, let's go, dudes. How you doing, dude? Okay, that dude is going sniper. Yo, that dude needs to chillax. But seriously, he needs to chillax. Okay, there's a dude. Yo, what just happened there, bruv? Yo. I'm just going there, yeah. Where the peeps? Where the people? Okay, there's a dude over there. Oh, guy, that kill was epic. Oh, no. Okay. It's clear I'm not really good with the shotty, am I? Okay. Oh, what just happened there? Oh my gosh, that dude. There's some sneaky people. That's for sure. Okay, I need to be careful. I know that if I see that sneaky dude, well, I'm in danger. Oh, that kill is epic. Yeah. I don't know what that dude was doing. It was the enemy though. I don't have any contact with the enemy, so where's the enemy? Yo, I think this dude is just staying there not playing. Okay. I feel like this person, but I can't see them. That's sniping, yeah, I'm scared of it. Oh, fam! Oh no! Okay, guys, I need to use this grenade. Oh, let's go. Yo, is this dude alright? Like, is man alright here? Yo, how long does it need to reload? He's missing every shot. That dude is just staying still. Might as well just take advantage. Yo, this dude, I can't even snipe. How? Oh, okay, we lost the lead. That's not good. I might just, do a little cheekiness. Wait, how am I? Okay, that's just weird. Yo, how am I in flames? Bro, that literally roasted me. Like, literally roasted me, man. Yo, this dude, yeah, I'm one pumping him, this dude. I don't know why I'm saying Fortnite language. Got that dude. Oh, no. I think, wait. Oh, yeah, I think we can win this. If this team works hard, yeah, I feel not safe. I just don't feel safe. Yo, where the people at? You know where my people at, Okay. Sorry if I'm being... Okay. Come on, come on. Okay. Let's go. Oh my gosh. How's like... Yeah. Whew. Guys, comment down below if I should play with like... Oh guys, sorry, I'm jumbling my words. Guys, comment down below if I should play more with the shotgun. Or the sniper. Oh my gosh. I really do hate these things. Those things, yeah, they're like out of nowhere they come. And then you just lose. Yeah, I know we've taken the lead. I know. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay. Okay, okay. I see how we play it. I see how we play. I see how we play. Look. Bro, chillax! Haven't you ever been told to be patient? Oh. Okay, so... Where's the... Okay. Oh my gosh. What was that dude? Was a good gun or is a good player? One of them. Or he's both. Okay, come on, come on. Oh no, there's a grenade near me. Yo! Oh, did you see that kill though? No, that's an epic kill. Come on, gang. Come on, people. Yo, this kid is... Okay, okay. Trying to run away. Final kill, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I think the next round is going to be the final round. Guys, I'm so sorry about the you could see the outro and the intro. It's something to do with the editing app and the storage. Part 2 will be coming out tomorrow. And yeah, peace.